All right, CSS battle time, and we have barbells, but not really. Let's see. How do we want to look at this? We've just got the two colors. Borders would be nice, but there's a bar in the middle. And that might not be an issue because we could have this really depends on how you look at it. Do you see it as an element on top with 3 bars and then these 2 edges poking out to the sides? Or do you see it as an orange square in the back with a blue outer perimeter and then this box with 3 orange bars on top? Like, I think I just said the same thing over twice. I'm not sure how to look at this. Do I have a blue box with an orange top above and below this orange background? Or is this all one thing? I think looking at it with the right, looking at the right way is the key to getting this one right. Where do I want to start? I could do a conic gradient on this thing, big, thick conic gradient, and have it repeat and then scale it down for the body. And what we could do is just have this huge HTML with negative margin and everything, and then when we scale it down, it matches. That is doable, but sounds really excessive. All right, you know what? Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna actually pursue that because then it's background with a conic gradient and margins. That's it. And scale. Right? And scale. Yeah. But that's not terrible. Otherwise, we've got to do background. We could do a background of an orange bar and then a blue box shadow. No, that doesn't work. Box shadows might work too, but let's go with the conic gradient route. That really sounds fun. So let's go conic gradient. We're gonna do 3/4 blue like we do. 5%, and then our orange, 0. Let's set our at rule to get the size of our block. It's almost all the way across, so let's say 360 pixels. It looks like 20 on each side. Yeah, is that the right size? Let's go 150. Let's position it, 20 pixels, and 100. It's too far down. But we're just about right. Okay, we're at 140 here. I like that better. Okay, so we have our conic gradient. There. Now, if we star this, and we go select the body. How do I want to do this? Do I want to scale the body down and then get my repeat going? Scale. We're going to go 1 for the left and right and 0.5. Oh, but the body... No, I do want the body to overlap. I don't want it to 1. I want it to be like 0.6. But that doesn't work because... Ooh, actually, 5, 4. And then we get the blue on the edges, so that's not going to work at all because those blue on those edges are a no-go. All right, so instead of doing that, let's see what margin does. I don't think this is going to work necessarily without changing this 20 pixels to like, or maybe expanding that. I have to, no, this would be fine. And if I remove that, then we're good, I think. So this was 1.25 M, let's say. Let's get our margin going. Let's go font 0A. All right, let's margin this down. Let's go 0.50. Okay, yeah, that's gonna work. Oh, roll all the way across. We need a, it's really hard to understand what's happening. Oh no, that's right. That's right, because I can use the blue as my indicators. What I need to do, 4, 3, 2, what am I seeing? Oh, it's tiny. 1.5? Ooh, that's about right. Okay, 1.5, 1.4. That looks about right. I feel like this is going to be real flaky. All right, go /0 and then 100. Oh, I can't do 0. 400, right? Okay. Crazy. Ah, I know what I need to do. And then we do like -500. Nope. Okay. What am I doing? We don't want 0 on the size. That's what's killing us. Okay, then it all becomes orange. Because our... How do I want to do this? Okay. So if we come into here and do margin, and we do a 0 for left and right, but negative like 100 top and bottom. What I'm hoping to do, let's get the body hidden for a moment. Oh, is that what's happening? Oh, because of this background size. Oh. Curious. Okay, because of that, now we have to move, we have to compensate this way. All right, all right. I can work with that. Okay, top and bottom are the same, so I don't need this. They will be applied the same way. I just have to apply that 200 to move it down into place. Let's go like this. Now, that's interesting. Let's do this. 100 pixels by, okay. 3, 4, 5. Okay. We've got 3 bars. We can manipulate that where we need it. Okay. I think we're actually kind of on roll here. Let's go to, there we go. Okay. That has to be 400 pixels width size so the HTML doesn't spaz out and get repeat going side to side. So that'll be all right. I think I'm close. What I need to do is expand this by a lot. Let's put an outline on it. And then we can see our dimensions and then play with things from there. Okay. Okay, 900.0876. Okay, let's get it right up around there. 7. Okay, good enough. It's about the right size. Now, what I can do is play with repeat. Can't really do much with position. Okay, that's 700, 800. It's about right. I think what I have to do is get the repeat right with this scale. Oh man. What I want is the same kind of overlap on each of the bars, and then I can adjust the margins to get it right. I believe I can, manipulate this with margins a little bit. But when the margins change, do I want the negative 100 on this one at all? I wonder if that's actually, yeah, that's going to simplify things a lot. I don't even need that. The body and the scale and the margin are going to do all of this. So 800 there, the vertical repeat of 6, 7, 8, ooh, 50, 60. They all the same? They look the same. Let's start walking this. Ooh, man, we're getting real close, and it's just far enough off. I think it's not going to quite work. Oh my goodness, this is a ridiculously overthought solution. I'm just going to say that right now. I don't think this is actually even a good idea. One. Okay, don't like that. 9. 3.8. Nope, don't like that. Let's leave it at 1.4. That seemed good. It's just these margins that need. Man, and I know that's gonna throw things off. Let's get rid of this outline. Let's hit submit. Let's just see where we're at right now, and then decide what I gotta do. 99.9. Okay, so let's just change this repeat. 65, 64, 60. 59, 58. Okay, that's consistent. Ooh, 59? Oh. Both of those look pretty stinking good. It might not be enough. It still might not be enough. It worked. It actually worked. This is such a weird thing. All right. Let's do some unit golfing. We got some fun ones for today. I don't know if 858 would come out to a percentage, but it would be long enough that we wouldn't save a space. Let's go 8. No, that's not what I wanted. I want unit golf. Yeah, yes. All right. Oh, good. Okay, good. Good. 857. That's what we said. 857. 907Q. What a weird number. Wow. 400. I don't think 100 VW saves anything. 25 PC. Nice. I'll do that. All right, 80. We can't use 5M, so that's what's the other one for 80? 5 PC. That's right. Sorry, excuse me. Wow. My goodness. All right, this one I can do 35 VW. Right? Or is it 140 pixels is 35 VW? Did I miss something here? Okay, wait. Okay, that one where I said 25 PC. Oh, did I type in PC wrong? Yeah, I must have typed it in wrong. Okay, there we go. Crisis averted. 360. Let's see. That seems like it's divisible by a lot. 90 VW. Okay. I was thinking there'd be something else, but I'm okay with that. Okay, so that's reduced down what we can. Let's see. And then I think I will try. Can I back this up, or will it just be 1. Yeah, it'll be 1.14. Okay. I'm going to try a more traditional approach just to see how it compares. 128 characters. That's pretty good. But let's just go bare bones, straight up, ruthlessly basic. Let's go background of orange. Okay. And then I want to do box shadow of the blue. Do I want to do a box shadow of the blue? Let's do 0, 0, 0, 9 inch, right? Did I do too many zeros? X, Y, blur, radius. Oh, margin. We got to margin it down for that to work. Okay, if I do it that way, oh, I just had an idea. If this is the HTML, I can box shadow up and box shadow to the sides. And I can probably do 1 to the half, 2 to the half. Like, you know, they'll fill in the middle there. And then the body is the same thing but flipped over and margined down. Let's do it that way. So let's reverse this. Oh, we have to do a big blue box shadow. So big blue box shadow. I just did that wrong. No, big orange. Yes, big blue box shadow. Oh, we're still there. But we need a blue background. We need to hit an outline. So I can get this in place. Try to do this quickly. No, it's going to be like 40 by 100. Ooh, nice. 200. Nope, too much. 180. 60. Good. There's that. Get rid of that. We're going to do a box shadow on top. It's going to be 0, negative 20 pixels. And it'll be orange. So that's blue. We're going to have 1 orange. We're going to have 2 more that are orange. So we're going to do the color property as orange. All right, good. So then we have that one set. And then we're going to go below and to the left. So we're going to go like negative 50 pixels by 100 pixels. It's too far down. 50, 60. Ooh, it's too small. So we have to expand these. It's about right. And we're going to go negative 60. Yeah, that's going to work. That's going to work. It's a long box shadow, so then we're going to go 60 pixels by 60 pixels by 0 by 20 pixels. And that gets the other side. So now we have that shape made. The body, we want to do the same thing and invert it and place it in place. However, we need to change this to like M. Okay, is it not just not big enough? Is that what it is? Okay, let's just go font 0A. What happened? Oh, I know what happened. Our margin collapse is causing things to expand. So we're golden. We just need to get everything moved properly. Let's go scale -1. All right, we're all flipped over now. So 100 by 0 by -100. It's moving, but not great. All right, let's throw in a period. There we go. Everything's still a little wonky. It's okay. It's okay because we're going to go like negative right there. And then this is going to be 120 right there. Oh, but its orange box shadows are overriding the blue of that. Okay. So, wow, we need those 2 extra box shadows to not apply as well. We only want the first box shadow? Well, that seems like a waste of a... Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of that. We're going to write a new property, border, top, 20 pixels, 20 pixels, solid, and our orange. Oh wait, no, color is already orange. We're good. All right, we got that. We're going to drop this to 20, okay, and that to 140. I wonder why that's not expanding down. Can we get rid of that? Oh, okay. I know why. Because our box shadows are still in play. This whole property gets to roll under its own selector. All right. Okay, I think what I need is 140, no, 120, and 140. There we go. And you do need to be 160. That needs to go up. No, 160, 140. No, 160. 180 is too far. That is because this needs to go 140. Okay, what am I even looking at? Okay, you've gone too far. Okay, that's good. But these are ping-ponging around. That's about right. But now our box shadows are too high. Do our box shadows need to move down more? That's right. There we go. That's too far down. Which one? Which one? There we are. Okay, okay, maybe it is. Oh, because it's bigger, we don't even need that. Well, happy day. 40, nope, 60 down. Oh, we do need expansion. Ugh. And it's 70 instead of 80. Ugh, that made it just so much worse. That's disgusting. I hate it so much. Okay. Because 70 doesn't reduce as nicely as those others. Well, that was our quick solution. That was terrible. All right, let's just minify. Let's not unit replace. Let's just minify and see where we land with, let's go Alt up and put the semicolon back on you because let's do a fair shake on this, all right? But let's just see if we get within a handful of our other solution when we get rid of all these extra lines. 181. Yeah, I mean, that's not even remotely close. Now, this border top solid, there's probably a better way around that. If we get rid of that, where do we end up at? We're at 159 characters. Yeah, these just really extensive box shadows just ruined it. Borders, is there a way to do it with borders? Border block? I mean, theoretically, you'd have to have 3 elements. Because we'd need 1, too, but you can't get this middle row showing unless that's, you know, the top and bottom one element, top and bottom of another element, and then flipped an element, you know, rotate it and have that, but a thicker border. So I like my conic gradient solution. I'm just gonna go with that. That's it. That's what I've done. It's ridiculous. But I love it. So cool. Hope you're having fun with this. I will catch you later.